Hey Raindrops, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted for a while, I've been on vacation. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a thumbnail. So the first thing you want to do is go into Safari or Pinterest and look at whatever type of wallpaper you want. So for example, I'm going to do static wallpaper because I just feel like it, I guess. So I'm going to scroll down until I find one that I like. These are all really pretty. Ooh. Oh, that sunflower one's really pretty. Yeah, okay, so then you get it. You press add to photos. Then you go into PicsArt. So once you're in PicsArt, you're gonna, well, first you have to wait for it to load. So sometimes there's an ad that pops up. You could just, exit off. So you press the plus sign, and then you tap on whichever thing you want at the top of photos. So I got my sunflower one, and you want to press crop. And then you want to size it to the thumbnail, which is 16:9. You could also just look up YouTube, but it's the same thing. So I'm getting the part of sunflower that I want to show, so you could just size around and play around with it. So then what you do is you go to the edit and you go to blur. So I'm just going to adjust it. You could also do fade, but I don't know, I just like it. Well, effects, sorry. So then you want to go to the brushes, and for example, I like doing these little zigzaggy thingies. So you just add them, and then you add whatever other things you want. So I'm gonna do these little sparkle things because I think they're cute. So yeah. And I usually just don't add too much because I want to be able to still see the picture. So I'm just playing around with how many I want. Sometimes I just don't add any at all, but for these I'm just going to add a few. So I also So then you go into Fonto. Well, you have to save it, sorry. And then you go to, then you go into Fonto, and you could change whichever, filter you want on it. So I'm just going to I'm just checking out the ones. Oh, some of them are locked. Okay, so I just kept it to the main one, I think. I'm going to go into you just pick a shape. I like doing this little frame shape. So I'm just going to size it. It's actually sort of satisfying for some reason. I don't know why. I just think it's satisfying, I guess. So, yeah, so you just push down and you just sort of size the way you like. I like doing this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to tap anywhere you want and press add text. And you're going to go to the font that you want, and in a different video, I'm going to show you how to download it. So I'm just writing the text that I want. Whoops. So I'm just going to write how to make because sometimes I just, don't want to, I want to make sure that I have enough space for everything. So I'm just going to make it look like that, I think, because, oh, yeah, that looks good, actually. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to tilt. Whoa, never mind, sorry, that's what I meant. I meant curve. And then, sorry about that. Then you just curve it to however you want, and I like that. So then you press add text, and then you just want to finish what you're writing. So I'm just going to do how to make a thumbnail. And then I'm just going to make it like that, and make it bigger, size it right. And you could just play around with however you want it to be. So, now you just press on, and then you just go to whatever color you want. So, actually, I'm going to change it back to white. Where is white? Oh my gosh. Sorry. To make it glow, you go to style, and you go to shadow, and you press on whichever one you want to make it look like that. So now I'm going to turn this back white because I just think it looks better. There we go. Okay, so now you just take a screenshot of it. You go onto it and you just shape it like this. And you just want to make sure that it's still shaped correctly. So then you just save to photos, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.